Namaskaram. In our last class, we have seen how to write list, tuple, dictionary, etc. in a binary file. Now we are going to learn how to read these objects from the binary file. Before reading, I am going to write a dictionary into the binary file. Import pickle f equal to open phone.dat in append binary mode. Then my dictionary ph equal to name, Amal, phone number, then next name, phone number, then one more name, Varun, phone number, okay. Then I am going to write this dictionary into binary file phone.dat. How to write? Pickle dot dump. What to dump? ph. Where to dump? Into phone.dat, pointed by the file handle f. Then close the file, f dot close. Save. Run the program. The file phone.dat is created. Next, I am going to read this dictionary from the file phone.dat. For that, first import the pickle module. Import pickle. Here in reading, the pickle module is for unpickling. Pickling is the process of converting the object into byte stream, and unpickling is the reverse process, that is converting this byte stream back into the original format. So import pickle, then open the file, f equal to open, name of my file is phone.dat, then what is the file mode? Read for reading and B for binary, RB. Then to read our dictionary from the file, we have to give p equal to pickle dot load. Then as the argument, the file handle. The function load is in pickle module, so we have to give pickle dot load. And this load function will read and return an object from the pickle data stream. That is, it will read a single object from the binary file. In our file, there is only a single dictionary. Next, you have to print the dictionary. Print P. Execute. See, the dictionary which is stored in the binary file is displayed. This is how to read a single object from the binary file. Then if your file is having more than one records and if you want to read it, you have to use a loop along with try except block for handling EOF exception. That we will discuss in our next class.